Looking for the ultimate relaxation and wellness experience at sea? Imagine merging the thrill of travel with the serenity of wellness. Welcome to the world of wellness cruises, a unique blend of rejuvenation and exploration. On these voyages, you're not just a tourist. You become a part of different cultures, immersing yourself in their wellness practices. You'll find tranquility, rejuvenation, and a fresh perspective on health and well-being. Now, embark with us on a journey through the top 5 wellness cruises that offer serenity at sea. At number 5, we have Caribbean yoga retreats. Imagine starting your day with a rejuvenating yoga session as the sun rises over the tranquil Caribbean Sea. Then, enrich your wellness journey with engaging workshops tailored to enhance your personal well-being. Of course, no wellness retreat would be complete without nutritious, delicious cuisine prepared with fresh local ingredients. All this with the serene beauty of the Caribbean as your backdrop. Experience the harmony of body and mind in the warmth of the Caribbean sun. Coming up at number 4, Mediterranean spa and wellness. Picture this, you're sailing to the world's most serene locations, soaking up the sun on the deck of a luxurious cruise ship. Your itinerary is filled with rejuvenating spa treatments, calming mindfulness sessions, and stops at some of the Mediterranean's most renowned wellness retreats. The tranquility of the surroundings, coupled with the focus on personal well-being, makes this a truly transformative journey. Indulge in the ultimate pampering while sailing across the tranquil Mediterranean Sea. At number 3, we introduce the Asian holistic health journey. This journey immerses you in the age-old traditions of Asian health and wellness. Picture yourself soaking in natural hot springs, purifying body and mind. Imagine the serenity of peaceful meditation retreats, cultivating inner harmony. Envision participating in herbal medicine workshops, unlocking the secrets of nature's pharmacy. This is a journey that transcends the physical, reaching the depths of the spirit and the heights of well-being. Embark on a journey of self-discovery and holistic health in the heart of Asia. Making a splash at number 2, we have the South Pacific Tranquility Cruise. This is not just a journey, it's a dive into the laid-back island lifestyle. Imagine yourself in Fiji, Tahiti, and Bora Bora, where time seems to stand still. It's all about relaxation here, embraced by the natural beauty that surrounds you. Surrender to soothing ocean-inspired spa treatments. Let the rhythm of the waves lull you into a state of serenity. Experience tranquility like never before in the idyllic islands of the South Pacific. And finally, at number 1, we present the Nordic Light Therapy and Nature Cruise. This journey takes you through the therapeutic landscapes of the Nordic region, where you can indulge in unique wellness activities. Immerse yourself in the ancient practice of forest bathing, soak in the restorative powers of thermal spas, and witness the ethereal spectacle of the aurora borealis during light therapy sessions. It's an experience that truly embodies the healing powers of nature and light. Immerse yourself in the healing powers of nature and light in the breathtaking Nordic landscapes.